What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something that a small upgrade that I've been thinking about doing to my guns. But this is my wife's Saint Vic AR pistol. One of the things that bothers me a little bit about the AR pistol is this brace back here. You see how it's kind of like I hate when my thing is not lined up like that. So what I did was I added the gun is clear too, just for y'all who think I'm just recklessly pointing a gun at myself. But yeah, so I got this brace strap that I want to add to this AR pistol, and it's supposed to fix the split. So that's what I'm doing today. I got this pistol brace strap from Warrior Poet Society, and I'm going to remove this old one and put this upgraded one on. So stick with me and we're going to get this done. I'm also going to change her charging handle. So I got her ambidextrous radiant charging handle. So I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do that, so I ain't gonna show y'all how to do that. But yeah, stick with me.
Yeah.
What's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Alright, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the old one. Bear with me because this is my first time removing one of these, so it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah. Pretty flimsy. So I'm just gonna put that there. And this is the part that I hate. Alright, so with the new one, we're gonna come in this way. Want the logo facing like this. Come in. Do the first slap. Come back, do the second slap. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. You want to come like that, and now you just strap her on down. So there you have it. Then you can adjust the, make it as tight as you want it. Pull it. There we go. So yeah, that should fix it. Next, what I'm going to do is just put on this radiant charging handle. Boom, boom. Alright, so we got the brake strap on and the ambidextrous charging handle on, and this is what it looked like. For those who don't know, this just is a lot more easier to, work when you shooting. You can charge up down from that side or this side, and it's made out of pretty good quality material, and yeah, I think my wife's gonna be pretty happy with the upgrades that I've done to her gun, and hopefully we can get to the range soon. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.